Hi and welcome back to Trading Strategy Testing channel, where we backtest your trading strategies and share with you tips on how to become a successful trader. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button to let us know what type of content you enjoy most. Few weeks back, we received a strategy submission from Anthony, who is one of our channel subscribers. Anthony wanted us to review a premium expert advisor that he bought for $500. We were extremely curious to see how this EA works and whether it's profitable or not. The guru was running the expert advisor on a live account using real money, but the account has suddenly disappeared. So in this video, we will backtest this premium expert advisor and compare the results with a free one that runs according to a simple moving average crossover strategy. Well, this is the summary of today's video. We will start off by describing the free as well as the $500 Forex strategy, then begin backtesting the two expert advisors. We will use the same conditions such as the volume and lot size, currency pair, and time frame. Once done, we will reveal the results and share with you our feedback and some tips on how to use expert advisors to trade your financial investment. The first strategy we will be using today is based on a free expert advisor that you can download from the official MetaTrader market for free. It is based on the crossover of 5, 10 and 51 period exponential moving averages. We will use the 15-minute time frame and aim for 20 pips profit and risk 10 pips every time. The slip page value is 3, and we are going to stick to the default settings recommended by the developer of the expert advisor. The premium expert advisor that our subscriber has sent us is sold at $500. According to the developer of this EA, it would help you make up to 70% profit per month, which is an astronomical return on investment. It is also leveraging an advanced real-time algorithm, a time filter and multiple features that we are unable to verify. The seller does not provide the source code used to develop the EA, so we can't see what metrics it uses. The best way to verify the claims is backtesting. Before we go any further, we would like to thank Anthony for the strategy he shared with us and let you know that you also can submit your trading ideas at 3wtstlife.com. We always look at your suggestions before creating content. Alright, let's begin backtesting. We should first import the expert advisor while maintaining its default settings. Then we will select the right backtesting settings including the Forex pair, time frame, and date range. Make sure to use an ECN Forex broker. We are using our recommended Tier 1 broker to make sure that the spreads are not high. In case you need one, make sure to check out the link in the video description. Other than that, remember to select every tick backtesting option in order to get an accurate and reliable report and the visual mode to be able to see how the trades are executed on the chart. As the backtesting process is running, you can monitor the equity of your balance by visiting the Graph tab. Let us know in the comments section if you have any questions regarding the process. I personally like to run the visual backtesting process at a normal speed to be able to take notes or record any interesting events. You can also add other indicators to the chart if you are planning to use another trading indicator to the strategy afterward in order to filter out the losing trades. Well, let's keep it simple this time. Great, we have just finished backtesting the free indicator. Let's go through the report together. We can see that the equity has significantly increased, but this is not enough to judge whether the strategy is good or not. The modeling quality is 90%, which means that our test is accurate. We have made $315 using the free expert advisor, and the maximal drawdown is not bad actually. On the other hand, we had 7 consecutive losing trades. It's always good to have a large number of consecutive losing trades, as you can easily review the chart and define the reason behind it. You can then develop a filter approach to optimize the strategy later on. Alright, let's now backtest the $500 expert advisor across the same period of time. Again, we will use the recommended settings that the developer has shared on his website. This expert advisor works in Forex, indices and even stock market. But we will test it on the Euro USD Forex chart to make the comparison easier for us. We have just launched the backtesting process. Let's see if a $500 expert advisor is worth it or not. Before you purchase or use any expert advisor for the first time, make sure to ask the developer to share with you the optimum settings. A properly developed expert advisor needs to go through long phases of backtesting. We need to know the suitable currency pair, time frame, recommended balance, and even lot size. Otherwise, our financial investment will definitely be blown up, and it's just a matter of time. Let us know in the comments section whether you prefer trading with or without expert advisors. Other than that, some expert advisors should be installed on a VPS hosting so you won't miss any entry or exit. I once had a student who installed the expert advisor on an unreliable virtual machine. He blew up his account as the VPS service provider had some technical issues. Let me know in the comments section if you want us to make a series where we talk about some of the technical issues that we witnessed throughout our experience as full-time traders and how we managed to overcome some of them. By the way, we keep on receiving offers from VPS companies which want us to review their services and offer some coupons to our subscribers. Let us know if you are interested in product review tutorials. We have just finished backtesting the $500 expert advisor. Feel free to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy this type of content and don't hesitate to share the video around. Let's look at the results now. The first element I like to check is the equity and balance graph. Well, we can notice a significant drawdown from the second half of 2020 onwards. We need to look at the detailed report for more information. The first thing that captures our attention is the high drawdown of 56%. We are running this backtest with $1,000 and trading a volume of 1 micro lot. If we used a higher volume size, we won't be able to remain in the market for more than 4 months. We only had one consecutive losing trade, which is good actually, and made $253 using this strategy, which is not that bad. However, the strategy is extremely risky in my opinion. We can also notice that the gross loss is almost as much as the gross profit. Well, if we add in the price of the expert advisor, which is $500 to the equation, we will be on the losing side already. Let us know in the comments section what you think about this strategy. Alright, this table compares the key indicators for both strategies. Tell us in the comments section which strategy you think is better. Next time, we will try to optimize the strategy together. It will probably be the first time where we share our personal approach when it comes to improving and optimizing trading strategies. See you soon and happy trading.